Deploy phase. As we move further in the deploy phase, the finished module is published either as a SCORM-compliant file or as a standalone learning module. This means the module is in the correct format to be hosted on the LMS. The file needs to be tested to confirm the module works as expected in the LMS, and then it's ready for deployment. The following steps can include: 1. Create a request for the LMS administrator or the assigned training lead. 2. Training lead will upload and test your module on the LMS test site, then complete the UAT checklist. 3. Once your module is ready to go, you can now enroll your learners and monitor their progress. So that's it. When someone has asked you to convert classroom training to online, always remember to think transform and not just transfer. It will certain that your training is effective, enjoyable, easy to adapt, and the learning outcomes remain. Think back to involve the right people, work with reliable, practical tools, and follow the proven process that we talk about. In addition, take time to see the help resources we provide on this module for more information.